Okay, so you already know that learning is very important thing. But if the question is from where to learn and how to learn, then this video is for you. Because I'll be introducing you to the sources from where you can learn smartly, wisely, and in an intelligent way. Stay tuned. So welcome to the video. Now you all know that learning gives you new perception, and new perception is directly proportionate to growth in life. However, unfortunately, the problem is that our mind is very much rigid and we do not accept new kind of perception easily. One of the main reasons is that we do not go through the new sources, or else even if we go through the new sources, then we do not know how to use these new sources wisely. We are stuck to old sources and old way of learning, and this doesn't impact our mindset positively. So without wasting the time, let us go ahead and understand the sources that can help us to learn and also help us to change our perception. Along with this, we'll also learn how to use these sources wisely. Alright, so very first source from where you can learn and change your perception are books. Books are really important. But then why books? Because they are written by the authors who have more than 10, 20 or 30 years of life experience on the subject that they are writing about. So look at this way, 20 years of experience is accumulated in 200 pages. That's huge and super time saving. Hence, read books. Most successful people like entrepreneurs, leaders, actors, creative artists, etc. read lots and lots of books every year. Not only this, they also credit their success to reading books regularly. Hence, even you should read books. So how to go about this thing? Ideally, you should read around 20 to 25 books every year. I know this sounds very overwhelming, but actually it is not. All you have to do is build a regular habit of reading. You should read at least 10 to 15 pages daily before you go to sleep or as soon as you wake up. This will give you very good information on daily basis. Now to build this habit, initially you should pick up the books that are of your interest or related to your work life or related to your hobbies or anything that is very much attractive to you. And as you progress, you should read on multiple different topics that you can question or that can challenge your perception. Also, to feel comfortable, you can pick up books in any format. You are free to go with physical hard copies, you are free to go with Kindle version, you are free to go with ebooks. As far as you are reading, everything should be on track. So make sure that you read regularly and make it a habit so that you grow and change your perceptions regularly. Alright, now if you're actually confused about what kind of book you should pick up, then just comment below and let me know. I'll make sure that I make a video about top 10 books. Those are really life-changing. Those are my favorite and can surely help you to grow in life. Source number 2 is learning from different people. Now we are intelligent than some people and some people are intelligent than us. But ultimately everyone has different kind of understanding, different kind of knowledge and different kind of information. So technically they may know something better than us or may not know something better than us, but surely they know something different from what we know. Hence we should meet more people to learn different things in life. Another thing is that meeting new people will broaden our horizon, will melt our ego and will also let us know that we are not the smartest person in the room. And trust me, we need all these things to grow and change our perception in life. So how to go about this thing? The first and the foremost thing we need to do is meet more and more new people on regular basis. We do not do this thing. We are mostly stuck with same set of people during weekend or weekdays or whenever we get opportunity, which is actually wrong. If you really want to change your perception, then you need to meet more and more new people on regular basis. The easiest way to do this thing is that go through your contact list and figure out how many people are not connected with you as of now and start communicating with them. It has been long since you both have communicated. That means you both have built a new set of perception and your interaction with each other will be surely fruitful. As you progress with this thing, you should do same thing with your social media contact as well. There are many people on your social media account who are not connected with you on regular basis or on personal level. You should start communicating with them as well. Now, once you get hang of this thing, go ahead and start seeking new people through online or offline events. Trust me, meeting new people is lots and lots of fun because you have so much thing to learn from them. At the same, you also have so much thing to teach them. It is a very fruitful communication and it will help you to grow in your life for sure. Okay, so source number 3 is internet. Now internet is a boon, internet is a curse, internet is everything that you perceive it to be. But this also remains the fact that internet has enormous amount of information to share with you and everything at a click away. Moreover, all these informations are available in video format, audio format, written content and more. So technically, if you know to use internet wisely, then you can surely make the best use of it and grow in life. So how to go about this thing? The easiest way is make sure you have a habit of reading at least one page of Wikipedia on daily basis. So what is Wikipedia? It's an online encyclopedia which has tons and tons of articles on almost all the topics on earth. So there is lots and lots of things to learn from Wikipedia. All you have to do is make sure you form a regular habit of reading one page on daily basis on the topic that you like or on the topic that you want to explore. Now, apart from Wikipedia, another thing you can do is subscribe to the newsletter or follow the YouTube channel or follow the Twitter account or any other social media handle of the people whom you really admire, because they release lots and lots of information through their social media accounts, through their YouTube channel or through their blogs as well. Now make sure you should only follow the social media accounts or YouTube channel of the people whom you actually admire. Rest all can be ignored, because any information that you don't need and still you are consuming, then that is junk. It is wise to avoid junk and only take the information that will help you to grow in life by changing your perception and by teaching you some new things. Lastly, you can pick up some online courses and you can learn even from that. And today, most of the online courses that spreads lots and lots of knowledge are available for free. So these were the 3 sources from where you can practically learn something new and can grow in life. Now comment below and let me know if you want me to make a separate video on my top 10 favorite books that can help you to change your life, or my top 10 favorite Twitter accounts that will help you to grow in life. So hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then share it with as many people as you can and spread the good knowledge. Also, you can subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you are notified as soon as I upload my new video. Thanks once again for watching. My name is Samir. Until we meet next, stay awesome.